a beautiful view. Oh, so beautiful. Kabababa lang namin. We just came down from the top. Guys, day 2 and I'm going to make breakfast with longanisa and rice. So I have water here. The neighborhoods are still sleeping. And I have my coffee here. So let's going to boil that one. Everyone, day 2 and again we are still here in Hardanger and we're going to one of the wonderful and beautiful waterfalls here in Hardanger. Oh yeah. And that couple there, they also have been to the camping place we stayed. There's a lot of people there and it's so wonderful and so beautiful. We are just near to the waterfalls. Beautiful waterfalls, guys. And we can see it from the road. That beautiful waterfalls, how it looks like. It's one of the famous waterfalls here in Hardanger.
500 meters.
There it is, guys. It's so beautiful.
Oh.
What a beautiful view. Oh, so beautiful. Cutie is getting ready, guys. The family meeting. And oh, guys, look at that view. Oh, I'm excited to come near to that waterfall. I know. And we're going to walk to that area. And you can hear that sound. That's the that little lamb, or the little lamb, and the mother lamb. This is the toilet, guys. Now we're going this way. I don't want to pass that side. Steinsdalfossen 7-year, beautiful. Welcome everyone to this wonderful view in front of me. This is Steinsdalfossen. It is a waterfall in the village of Steina in the municipality of Kvam in Vestland County, Norway. The waterfall is located about 2 kilometers west of the large village of Norheimsund, which sits along the Hardanger Fjord. The waterfall is one of the most visited tourist sites in Norway. From the car park, following the riverbank, the path goes behind the waterfall and out to the vantage point on the other side. Yes, you heard it right, guys. You can walk behind the waterfall without getting wet. And from the vantage point, you can admire the Steinsdalfossen, the beautiful view of Norheimsund and over the entire Steinsdalen Valley. And with its 50-meter drop, the waterfall has become the popular attraction and subjects to many photos in the recent years, and of course today also, because we're going to take a lot of pictures and videos. If you have a problem to walk, you can still admire the waterfall and of course the nature from the path view in the front, from the path behind it, or the cafe by the car park. It is because, guys, it is accessible to everyone, whether you're in a wheelchair, use a cane, or bring a stroller. And after you enjoy watching the view or the waterfall, after you admire it, you can also buy things that you need, for example souvenir. Is because there is a souvenir shop just down to the parking lot, and a cafe, guys. They also selling different kinds of souvenirs that you can bring with you, and also a memory, something that will remind you of the place. And while also, if you, like for example, just don't want to go up near to the waterfall, you can just sit at the cafe, and while you're sipping your coffee, you can admire the beauty of waterfall. Okay, guys, from now, let's enjoy the view and follow me. guys, kakabababa lang namin. We just came down from the top. And we have taken a lot of videos and different angles. And of course, we don't go near there. We have been down here. It's alright. It's a lot of people. And yes, we enjoy the view. And I hope that you also enjoy the wonderful or watching wonderful natures of Norway. Thank you guys for watching. This is Amazing Grace. Don't forget to click, like, and share, and also leave some comments if you would like to see more. Bye everyone! Lugang sa taas. Ay, namin ako nga. Ilo-ilo, nakastart na naga. Yep. Sige na. Kasi nakadun ka gali sa ano. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Imagine. Beautiful stone. Karamitist. Yaharosot. Man-edriblik. Anong klaseng stone ito? Anong klaseng stone ito eh? Guys, let me know.